Hey everyone, welcome back to Tour Tuesdays. Today was a rainy one, but that didn't stop us from having any fun. We saw some awesome homes today, so let's go check them out. The first house I saw today was 26285 Valley View Avenue. This one's over on Carmel Point, and it's another one of these homes that I'm just shocked hasn't sold yet. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's situated in between two of our most beautiful beaches, Carmel Beach and Carmel River Beach. It's a large house. It's 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. It's just under 4,000 square feet on a lot that's 9,700 square feet, and they just lowered the price about $1 million down to $7,900,000. The upstairs has a living room that flows into the dining room and then into the kitchen, and then that all flows out 2 sets of French doors to the outdoor patio where there's a sunken fire pit. Then downstairs there's a large 2-car garage, an additional living space, and then there's another area that could be blocked off from the rest of the house in case you have family or friends visiting. Overall, I think this is a really great house. The second home I saw today was 2nd Avenue 2 southeast of Santa Fe. This is a beautifully built Carmel cottage with French and English influence. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's 1,760 square feet on a lot that's just under 4,000 square feet, and it's listed at $3.4 million. It's even got a car turntable in the driveway for easy parking. The next home I saw today was on the southeast corner of Lincoln and 3rd Street. This is a new build with a contemporary design. This home's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's 1,600 square feet and the lot is 4,000 square feet, and the price is $5,125,000. Lower level has a great open concept design, and there's doors that slide open to create a great indoor-outdoor flow. They've used some great materials, so the home feels very warm even though it's a contemporary design. It has views of the ocean from the upstairs primary bedroom and deck, and there's a whole home ventilation system as well. The next home I saw was right in the golden rectangle of Carmel-by-the-Sea. It's on 12th Avenue 2 northeast of Monte Verde. This is a great home in a great location. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's 1,543 square feet on a lot that's just under 4,200 square feet, and the list price is $4,750,000. It was built in 2013. It's got a great flow, and it's totally move-in ready. My favorite part of this property is the setting with those gorgeous redwoods in the front yard. The last property I saw today, and probably one of my favorites, was a condo in downtown Carmel. It's on the corner of 4th and Junipero, Unit F. This is easy living, just steps away from the shops and restaurants of downtown Carmel. It's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It's 1,577 square feet, and the price is $2,295,000. The upstairs of the condo features this kitchen that opens up into the living space with the vaulted ceilings and the exposed wood beams. And then downstairs, there's a guest bedroom, full bathroom, and also the primary suite. If I wanted to live the Carmel-by-the-Sea dream and be able to walk to absolutely everything, this condo would definitely be at the top of my list. Thank you so much for coming along with me on another Tour Tuesdays. Let me know which property was your favorite in the comments below. My information will be in the description. If you're interested in real estate in Carmel, Pebble Beach, or the greater Monterey area, feel free to contact me anytime. I'd love to help you out.